1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened earlier. Okay, return to home. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, she loaded. Okay, now let's see what happens. Well, I noticed there the camera, because the camera is changing direction there as the drone's flying there. Before it gets to that waypoint, it will actually start to turn sideways. So it by the time it reaches that waypoint, that it actually has the camera pointing in the direction of the next waypoint. That's interesting. We definitely have to do a little bit more with the waypoints, as you know, we can set the height for each waypoint, and we can have it take pictures or record. And what we just found out is, obviously you can't put the drone up in the air and then try to load the waypoints. The drone actually has to be on the ground before you start the task of waypoints. That's something I didn't know. So when I loaded up the one that I had saved at home, I just kept getting errors. So now I know the drone actually has to be landed before you can set your waypoints or load your waypoints. Okay, she's coming down. Let's see if she can. I took off from this rock here. So let's see if she's actually going to line herself up with that rock and land. Okay, it says not suitable for landing. Okay, so I think we'll just land her here. You know, it's funny when you go to these parks there, you may be the first one there with your drone, but as you can see, as soon as people show up, they tend to think that they have the right of way. Anyways, we decided we're just going to move to another location and try this waypoint again. Okay, so let's try loading the waypoints that we had done before. Okay, let's try this one. Return to home. Let's start. Okay, so that's what we've learned. The drone actually has to be on the ground, and you can hit the load and load the pre-programmed flight plan. That's something I didn't know. So I just loaded it, and she's about to execute it now. She's on her way. Okay, well, see, that's what this is all about. This is all about a learning experience. Turned out to be a beautiful afternoon. Okay, we're approaching waypoint 4. We're at 73%. She's maintaining her height of 50 meters. Like I said, this is only a test. Geez, you know, we've had the Mavic Pro for a couple of years, and it had waypoints, but we never did try out the waypoints on the Mavic Pro. And from what I heard, you basically had to fly the Mavic to each location you wanted to mark as a waypoint. This Waypoint 2.0 for the Mavic 2 is this is terrific. You know, you find your location, you can plan a flight at home and get to your location, and nothing else but just start up the drone and go into the waypoints, load up your saved task, and hit go, and away she goes. We definitely want to play with this a little bit more. This is pretty cool. This is really cool. Anyways, it looks like our drone is on its way back. We can see it here up in the sky. There she is. Looks like she's coming home. Okay, there we go. We've executed our first waypoint mission. I'd like to thank everybody for watching today. I hope this was a little bit informative. It definitely was informative for me, because I didn't know that it worked that way. But anyways, it was an enjoyable flight, and we look forward to doing more of the waypoints. Anyways, please give us a thumbs up for this, and we'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe, and always remember, fly safe. That was really cool.